In a world where dragons breathe fire, little Sparky could only puff smoke. Feeling embarrassed, Sparky ran into the forest, feeling very sad. In the cool forest shade, Sparky met Hooty, a wise old owl with a kind heart.
Don't worry, Sparky. Your inner spark is waiting to be found. Here, take this magical map.
Sparky followed the map to a bubbling brook, where he met Ripple, a playful water sprite who loved to laugh.
Join me, Sparky. Staying cool under pressure is a great skill.
A tricky ravine blocked their path. Ripple created a rainbow bridge, but Sparky was scared.
You can do it, Sparky. Just believe in yourself.
In a sunny glade, Sparky and Ripple met Blaze, a fiery phoenix who struggled with his own flames.
I'd love to join your quest and learn more about my fire powers.
Inside a dark cave, shadows danced eerily, but Sparky discovered he could glow, lighting the way to safety.
Look, I can help too.
At the base of a volcano, Blaze accidentally set the grass on fire, but Ripple swiftly put it out.
Stay calm, Blaze. Everything's all right.
At the volcano's peak, Sparky hiccuped, and out came tiny flames. His friends cheered, and soon he breathed brilliant, multicolored fire.
Wow, the power was inside me all along.
Sparky thanked his new friends with a warm embrace, promising to meet again soon.
Please visit me at home. Never forget our journey.
Returning home, Sparky amazed everyone with his fiery breath, sharing tales of friendship and courage.
I learned that true strength comes from within, with the help of good friends.